Chinese dishes are usually served hot, but there are also many refreshing cold dishes, which are great appetizers and perfect for the summer weather. So today, just in time for this upcoming summer, I wanted to share with you two classic Chinese cucumber salads, smashed and coiled cucumber salad. Ingredients and steps are very simple. Here's the list you need. Cucumber, light soy sauce, black vinegar, sesame oil, sugar, sesame, salt, garlic, coriander, and chili pepper. For smashed cucumber salad, take the washed cucumber, smash it using the back of the knife for a rolling pin. The uneven smashed cracks in the cucumbers will help to better retain the dressing and lock in that delicious flavor. After it's getting slightly crushed, cut into little cubes. If you're going for a better presentation of the dish, try coiled cucumber. Take a pair of chopsticks, place one on each side of the cucumber. Slice the cucumber vertically. The chopsticks on the bottom will keep the cucumber in place and prevent us from chopping it off thoroughly. After finished, flip the cucumber upside down and slice the other side slightly diagonally. When finished, you'll get the spring-like cucumber, connected but elastic. Transfer it to a bowl by twisting it carefully. Now we can start preparing the dressing. Peel and chop the garlic, also break chili pepper and coriander into smaller pieces. Simply add all the condiments to the chopped ingredients. Mix them well and the dressing's good to go. Now pour the dressing into the smashed cucumber, give it another mix, same with the coiled cucumber. And there you have it, smashing tasty and healthy cucumber salad. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and enjoyed the nice weather outside.